I think we got a bad plug, but we're gonna check it and see. And it'd be a good time to show y'all how to wire one of these plug heads up real quick. First, you're gonna unscrew these right here where the wire's at. Plus, we need to repair this one anyway. And the other market was trying to call. And on the head, you got a couple of screws you want to undo those all the way. Usually it's green, white, and black. Black is your common. It'll always go to the brassy looking one. Green is always your ground. It'll go to the green one. Brown to green. Brown or black is your common. It'll go to the brassy looking one. And then your hot wire goes to the silver. Double check, make sure everything's wired good on it. I'll just show you a quick little rundown real quick. All you're going to do is strip your wires back a little bit. Feed them in there. And just tighten your screws down. So it's good and snug. Always give your wires a little pull, just check them. Now remember, green for ground goes to the green wire. Your brown or black wire is your common. It'll always go to the brass. And white goes, or in this case blue, will go to the extra one, your silver. This one's pretty good, so always make sure wires are tucked inside of your casing. Don't want to see no loose ends. And we just put it back together. On the inside there should be some prongs that'll fit into here. See it? Just like that. Then just screw it back down. Because this one doesn't have 3 screws. Well, that one's stripped out. Make sure your wire backing's pushed in there good. Just tighten down these screws. That's how you repair or add a plug to something. Thank you.